Christmas is here again. Yes! Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, thank you so much for tuning in. I have some gorgeous outfits from SHEIN.
Wanna get to know you better. 너와 함께 있으면 나 몸이 뜨거워져 all night. Just wanna feel your touch. 조금 더 가까이 to make you.
This video is sponsored by SHEIN. You guys know this is festive period and we need that glow. We need that shine. You guys should just pardon because my baby is here. I have a toddler. He's here. I know he's opening the door. Bobo! So my toddler is here. In case if you hear his voice, pardon that. And the house is full. You guys will be hearing noise here and there. Just pardon that. In case if you like anyone, the link to them will be on the description box. Don't hesitate to check that. And you can use this search code right here just to track everything down. Okay, whatever you want among all these outfits, just track it down with this search code. This discount code here, use it to get some percentage off. It's a gift from me to you for this Christmas season. You guys know festive period, we need to slay, we need to look gorgeous, we need to look smart. You guys know it is winter, so when you call winter, it is cold. That will not stop us from wearing anything short. Especially me, it will not stop me. That comes to this leggings here. This can hold your coat and it is stretchy, and the inside is like this. You see, it's not that thick. I was thinking it would be thicker than this, but it's not that thick. You see, but it is stretchy, so stretchy. This is it. This is how it is. You see, and it's very long. I think it will get up to your boobs area. It's going to get up to your boobs area. Yeah, I so much love this. That is this one. So I have a jacket here. It's not just an ordinary jacket. When I brought out that leggings, you will see why I ordered that leggings. It's because of this one, because it's short. When I wear that leggings, I can wear my shoe, I can wear booties, I can wear whatever inside. With this next outfit I'm going to show you guys. So look at it. Look at this jacket. It's so beautiful. I'll show you guys its size medium because that is my exact size. Sometimes I wear S. When the thing is stretchy, I wear S. I can even wear S. I would like extra small. When the fabric is stretchy, I wear medium. But if it is not stretchy, I wear small. When the outfit is not stretchy, what am I saying? I wear medium, but when it is stretchy, I wear small, which is S. So look at this one. Oh, I so much love this. It's a gown, kind of a jacket. You can see it's khaki color. We can never go wrong with this color. It's so gorgeous. I love this. I can't wait to rock this. I can't wait to rock this. I like the way the waist is. See, you see the details of the waist, and in front it has buttons detail here. You can see the button details here in front, and it has some lacing details here also in the front of it. It's so beautiful, and I like that it's khaki color. See, let me bring it close so that you guys can see it very well. That's the exact color, and this is how it is. Look at the back. Look at how they're shaping this place. You can see that. It's so lovely. I so much like it. I was thinking it would be shorter than this, but seeing it, I think it's a little bit long. You guys cannot even see the full length, but I think with heel it's going to lift up a little. With heel it's going to lift up a little. So it's so lovely. I like it. So much love this. So next I'm going to move on to this. I love the mixture of these colors. Just look at this. This is the back, and look at the front. You see this orange and black, and the fabric is like sweater. See, okay, you can see the fabric here is like sweater, and that's exactly the color, because with the lighting is too light. Okay, it makes it too light, and this is the exact color, and with black. It's so beautiful. You see the two colors together. It's so lovely. I like it, and I like the design in front of it. You can see the design. The design is so beautiful. This is so beautiful, 2-in-1. And I took M. I wanted it. I knew that this one would be big, but I decided to take it because I want it a little bit free on me. I don't want it too tight on me, so that is why I took M of this. Since it's winter, you guys know you can wear some like sneakers with all these long socks. Now I think they are in vogue now. You see all these long socks. I decided to buy all these long socks. You see them? They are so long. Like that gown I show you guys, that dress I show you guys now. I can just wear this inside, okay? So that I will not be cold. It has 4 colors. I see it. Oh, I really like it. So I took 4. I took ash, white, brown, and black. Next is going to be this. Go, stop. Leave there. Is this dress here? This is going to be, I was planning to wear this on my birthday, but I don't know. Let's see. This dress is so gorgeous and it's heavy. The quality of this, oh my gosh, I like the way it's turtleneck. The quality is insane. And I think I took S because I knew it's going to be stretchy, so I took S. Let me see. I'm sure I took S. I did not take M. I can't see the size here, but I think I took S. I think I took S of it. It's so gorgeous. Look at the detail in front. This is so lovely, and it's very long. I just imagine myself wearing this. Oh my god, this is really beautiful. This is really beautiful. If you want to buy it, if you wear medium, just take one size down, okay? You take one size down. Then if you wear medium, take one size down, which is you take S, because it's really stretchy. When I mean stretchy, see, it's stretchy. I would have taken S, extra small. I'm thinking this small will be even large for me, big for me. So that is an advice in case if you are getting it. So the next one is this dress here. This dress is beautiful. It's so beautiful. I told you guys that it's festive period. Yes. My baby is giving me something. I told you guys that it's festive period, so we need all this. This dress is so beautiful. But bear in mind that it is see-through. It's so transparent. You see my hand? It's see-through, so you need to wear something inside. So when I wear this, I'll need to wear something inside. And it has all this furrow here. See this? It's so lovely, so elegant. It's also stretchy, and I think I took S as well. This dress is so beautiful with the sequins. Look at it. With the sequins, is so beautiful. And it's so long. Well, take it. It's very long. Look at the ring color here. Let me take it. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, this is the color here. Because with my camera, with my lighting, you see this is the color, this is the real color. It's so beautiful, and it has here by the waist, it has this band here by the waist side, and it has this flare whatever by the side. See, by the side of the dress, which is so nice, which is so beautiful. I really like it. This is the back. This is how the back is. You see the back of it, this is the back, and this is the front. So the next thing, which is going to be the last thing, are these boots. I like the boots, they are so long. I was even thinking they would be longer than this, but it's okay. Which size? I took size 40, but I don't know why they bring 42. Maybe 40 in, because there's one shoe I took too from, if you watched that video, I don't know whether that video will come out before this one. I took 40, but they still brought 42. Maybe 42 in China is 40. So this one is 42 they brought too, because when I wore that one, it's exactly my size. It's so gorgeous. Look at these boots. It has this detail here. I can't wait to rock this. It has this detail as if there is a key here, but there's no key. It's really lovely. Okay, let me show you guys the other one. Mama. So this is the other pair. You see, and it has zip here. Oh, okay. They attach this to this. It has zip here at the back. At the back it has zip. They attach this to this. This is so beautiful. Oh, I can wait without my dress too. See, it's lovely. I like it. I like the way it is. Everything about it. The leather. It's false leather, okay? It's not real leather, but we love it. Alright, gorgeous, that is it for this haul from SHEIN. I hope you like these things. If you like anyone, just head to the description. The link to all of them will be there on the description box. I'm sorry once again because of my toddler that will be making noise here. You guys should excuse that. If you like anyone, just head to the description. The link to all will be there and they are affordable. And don't forget to use my discount code. Use this search code here. You're going to get all the items. It will take you to all my selection, okay? So yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Gorgeous, please, before you go, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Subscribe and click on that bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I post, whenever I upload. Stop. Whenever I upload a new video, and give this video a thumbs up. Alright guys, bye.